Wonderful. Say yes. Fix a face. Yes.
Yes.
Good. Toss it away.
Oh,
Good,
toss it away.
And I would be using something more. Now, labs eat the lettuce, but for this, because it's such an issue, I might be using something better than the kibble. Really, right now, really
Yes.
make it worth his while that he is staying off that.
Yep.
Yes, Gus. Yes.
You see this choice point?
He's looking, but he's not in it. Yes.
Exactly. And because we're tossing the food
Can see
away, we're tossing it away, he's staying away.
No, it's all good.
Very nice. Really good. That's two ways we can approach it.
What do I do now?
Close the dishwasher.
Yeah, that's the regular.
Removing reinforcement. Removing the reinforcement that he went for. Okay, let's just open it again. Say yes now.
Yes.
Before he has a chance to
Yes.
repeat it. Good job. Open up your thingy dingy. Say yes.
Yes.
See him staying away? Ah, what a boy.